As every web page has a structure or a hierarchy for content inside it, we did use div tag to make this structure in early lessons. Talking about HTML5, the newest version of HTML, it is better to use semantic element. As it says, semantic element means meaningful element. Div tag has no meaning, div, nothing. However, nav element, for example, describe the navigation content of the web page. In our example, duckduckgo.com, we can see that there is a logo, there is a menu, there are other contents. This stuff can be divided as following. Mostly, there will be the logo of the website appear at the top of the web page. It may be followed also by navigation bar, which has links to other pages within the website itself. Next to it, there could be some related links at the left side of the web page. Then the content, it will appear there. Contents will come after the left side bar. If there is a side, so it will be at the right of it. If there is no side links, so it will take or occupy the full screen below the logo and navigation bar. And below it, at the end, there will be the copyright details and developer information, and that's what we call a footer. So it will be something like this. The logo will be placed inside a header tag. Navigation bar will be within the nav tag. If we are going to have some links, so we'll put inside a side tag. If then the content, we are going to place it inside section, and at the end, the copyright details will be inside the footer. So if we take the example of DuckDuckGo, we can see that navigation bar, it has this list, nothing else. And then the header has the logo of the website itself. As we can see in this example, it's a switch between the nav bar and the header. So it depends on us. And then there is no aside, only the content of the web page itself. And finally, this is the web page. All right, so let's write and make our own web page and see how it's gonna look like. Here is our file, and as we said, we are gonna divide it to header. We'll have nav. There will be also a side and section for the content. Finally, we are gonna have a footer. So all of this is gonna be inside the body. Let's go for it one by one. The header, as we said, header is gonna have the website logo and link to home page. Yeah, for now I'm gonna just use the text. Followed by that, we have the nav. Nav, as we said, it's supposed to have other links to other web pages within the website itself. So let's say here we have the home page link, for example, home, as well as the profile. As you know, we have done these files before. Profile. We have done with that. Aside, in our example, aside will have nothing for now, but I will leave a text there, such as we would like to hear from you. Please contact us through this form. So this will be inside the aside, and as we can see, this web page is about contact us. So we want the user to contact us. Us means the website itself, and that will be inside the website itself, not by using email or social media or whatever. So to give the user the ability to contact us, we need to have a form. And a form, you know, it is English word. Form means the user will start to fill information to send it to the website, or to send it. So there will be a form. It will have like first name, for example. Let's say is gonna have like first name, last name, email. So we need the user to insert his email so we can reply to him. And finally, the message that the user wants to leave. Let us test our code. When we test our code, it's gonna appear like this. Website logo will be here. We have the links here, and then we have the aside. But then you see we have first name, last name, email, message. So this is not what exactly we are looking for.